Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 followed by the Nasdaq 100 and the Dow Jones30 futures charts as always. But let's get started here with the S&P 500. We have exploded higher here during today's trading session, and this is because we had a CPI print that come in significantly lower than estimates. And of course, the Fed has been talking about a Fed target of approximately 2% for inflation, and we're nearly there. We are nearly back to pre-COVID inflation levels. And that's why the market is up around 1.44% here. That's the S&P 500. Of course, we do have the Nasdaq 100, which is rallying at this moment in time up around 1.83%. We have the Dow, it's up over 1%, and we have the Russell 2000 up around 3.7% because, of course, most of those stocks do benefit from lower interest rates. So the S&P 500, we've now broken out of this downward downtrend that we've been forming over the past couple of months here since the start of August, and that is significant. I think that going into the next couple of weeks up until year end, we are going to go and target the yearly highs, which sit around 4,600. And then, if the market carries on the way it's going, we could even break above it. I think the question is, when do we get to 4,600? Is it before next month, or is it by year end? And I think that we do need some sort of digestion here with the RSI that currently finds itself trading at 66.88. So we do still potentially have some more upside here to go for the S&P 500 now that we've broken out of this this minor downtrend that we've been forming since the beginning of August. But ultimately we will need some sort of digestion before this market does try and attempt to go higher. Moving over to the Nasdaq 100, very similar to the S&P 500, we've broken out of this downtrend that we've been trading in since the beginning of August, but we're nearly at the new yearly highs here for the Nasdaq 100. I think it's just a matter of time until we get to 16,000. The RSI, similar to the S&P 500, is not yet quite overbought yet, which makes me believe that we still can go and hit the yearly highs and probably break above them. I have been saying for the past couple of weeks that this does look like we are in a large bull flag pattern, and this is a breakout of this bull flag pattern. So I think that it's highly likely that we do now go and trade above 16,000 and go looking for the all-time highs here for the Nasdaq 100 as we move further into the year of 2024. But of course, that is providing that we do not see any signs of a recession. Then moving over to the Dow Jones30, similar to the S&P and the Nasdaq 100, we've broken out of this downtrend, and it looks likely that we now go up towards, let's say, 35,000. That's where we did meet some resistance back in the beginning of September, and if we can break above that, then it takes us up towards 35,600, which of course is the yearly highs here for the Dow Jones 30. So we're seeing rallies across the board here. We're seeing the likes of Apple trading higher, AMD is up now at a new monthly swing high. We have Nvidia, which is pretty much testing an all-time high. We have Microsoft that's trading at an all-time high, and we have loads of other stocks that are really attempting to break out to new 52-week highs. And as long as this is the case, we are going to continue to see the indices trade higher, especially on a lot of this AI hype. We do have a few positions open in my premium signal group. That is the one that I charge $2,499, where I work with you one-on-one. If you'd like to be a part of those trades, then make sure you scan this QR code. Also, you can gain access to my main group, which is slightly cheaper, $499 for the year. To join, all you have to do is scan this QR code on your screen. It will take you to my website where you can sign up and you can be part of my signal team, where you will receive daily research before the US markets opens every single day. And of course, you will be able to copy my own personal trades that I open on my own portfolio. I'm up over 100% so far this year. And it would be great to have you all on board. So thank you very much for watching today's video. I'll be posting, of course, tomorrow evening. But if you'd like to copy my own personal trades in the meantime, make sure you scan this QR code and sign up over on my website. Thank you.